Hello, didn't see you there. My name's Peggy. I've just got in from my shift at the factory and I am whacked. My feet are killing me. It's a long, hard day. I work in munitions. That means I work making bullets and bombs and stuff like that. It's dirty, it's hard, it's dangerous, smelly, you name it. I do quite like it. It's the toughest thing I've ever had to do, but it gets me out of there, gets me away from him. Gives me a bit of a change of scene. It's nice to be with the other women. We have a laugh together, we have a proper sense of being together, of sharing something. And I think particularly for women like me, I wouldn't have been out to work before this. There's no way I even thought about it. I was just stuck in the house and doing chores. So getting out and being with other people is a bit of a liberation. It is tough, but I'd rather be doing that than sitting around hoping somebody else is going to win the war for us. It's all essential work, and women are doing all sorts of different jobs. It easily gets forgotten. But there's women on the buses, there's women in the post office, there's women in the farms, and there's women in all sorts of factories. We're doing all sorts of jobs that people didn't think we could do before. And in reality, if there's a job that can be done, a woman can do it. So, the bits I like about it are about being with the other women, certainly. That's the best bit. Worst bit? Well, you've still got a house to run, you've still got all those normal jobs to do, and then the shift's on top. So it's tiring and it's hard. I don't much care for the smell of the place, but the worst bit's probably the danger. It is a dangerous place and you should never forget what you're making. I don't particularly like the idea of what I'm making. I don't like the idea of making bombs and bullets, stuff that's going to kill somebody. But you can't fight a war without things like that, so it has to be done. I never forget how dangerous it is in the actual factory either for us girls while we're there. When you look up and you look at the ceiling, you see bits of bodies and hands and all sorts over there. It's terrible. But it does remind you what we're dealing with and how we have to be really careful. Can't have anything that causes a spark and set things away. So it's tough, it's dirty, it's got to be fitted around everything else. But it's a chance for me to be more than just a housewife and feel like I'm just really contributing. Together, that's how we're going to win this war. Anyway, nice to chat with you. Pop by if you want to. Bye.